This is my submission to the Gems in the Rough 2023 competition. At the Sound of the Gun. In the back of your mind, where you're falling behind, where you're ready to run, at the sound of the gun. Did you go off to war? If so, what the hell for? For the beat of the drum, for the flag and the gun. And the spell stayed unbroken while the guns were unwoken. You saw the look in their eyes, and it was all just the bloodiest of lies. Did it all come undone at the sound of the gun? Did you climb the big tree just to see what you'd see as the firmament spun at the sound of the gun? From your vantage point there, did you see her wild hair as it shone in the sun? As it shone in the sun. And the spell stayed unbroken while the words were unspoken. It was the look in her eyes, but it was all just the prettiest of lies. Did it all come undone at the sound of the gun? Did you do the right thing? Did you make that girl sing? Did you hear that girl hum at the sound of the gun? Did you love her too long? When you woke, was she gone? And did two become none at the sound of the gun? And the spell stayed unbroken while the words were unspoken. It was the look in her eyes, but it was all just the prettiest of lies. Did it all come undone at the sound of the gun? At the sound of the gun. At the sound of the gun.